Without this process, there would be no nitrogen cycle, no plants, no animals, no us. You know, the air around us is 78% nitrogen gas, yet most living things can't use it directly. Its molecules are locked together by an unbreakable triple bond, due to which most living things are unable to use it. But there's a way: nitrogen fixation. The bacteria like rhizobia and azotobacter that are found deep in soils and oceans use an enzyme called nitrogenase and transform inert nitrogen gas into ammonia. Some bacteria work alone, others partner with plants. Legumes like beans and clover shelter them in root nodules. Legumes provide sugar as food to these bacteria, and in return, the bacteria provide them precious nitrogen fertilizer. The nitrogen produced in this way can be utilized by plants to continue their life processes. This process is called nitrogen fixation.